So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new comments from Facebook page and Facebook ads to Google Sheets. So if you're having a Facebook page or running some ads on Facebook, this automation is going to help you a lot on tracking, monitoring, and creating a record of each and every comment you are receiving. Yes, that's right. So in this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new comment on our Facebook page or on the ads which we are running on Facebook, automatically the details of that comment will be added in a Google Sheet as well. Now in this way, you can have a complete record of all the comments or all the customer or user engagement which you are having on Facebook. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. Now I want that whenever I receive a comment on my Facebook page on any post or any image or on any post of my Facebook ads, I want to add the details of that new comment in my Google Sheet over here. Now to do this, we have to connect our Facebook account with Google Sheet. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration platform to make this connection. So we are going to set up an automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect between Facebook and Google Sheet, using which whenever we are going to receive any new comment on our Facebook page or on our Facebook ad post, automatically those comments will be added in this Google Sheet using this Pabbly Connect automation. Now to create this automation workflow, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name it as Facebook Comments to Google Sheets. And then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this workflow and click on Create. Now you can see our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Facebook page or Facebook account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time we receive a new comment on Facebook, automatically the details of that new comment will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to add the details of the same comment in our Google Sheet as a new row. So to do this, let's get started with our trigger window. Here in Choose App, search for Facebook Pages. Just select Facebook Pages over here. After selecting Facebook Pages in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select New Comment as the trigger event because we want to trigger this automation workflow whenever we receive new comment on our Facebook page. After selecting a trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook Pages account, our Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Facebook Pages button. Now because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and here just click on this Continue button. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is Facebook page. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which I have in my Facebook account. Out of all of this, from which particular Facebook page we want to get the new comments, we have to select that. So the name of my Facebook page is Green Pro Landscaping. So I'm going to search for the same Facebook page. Or if you're setting up this automation to capture the comments on your Facebook ads, you have to select the Facebook page on which you are running your Facebook ads. After selecting our Facebook page, here is an important note which says to get the data only related to this trigger, use the next action as a filter step and configure the following fields to filter. So here using this particular trigger, we get the data of edited comments, updated comments or removed comment as well. But using this automation, we only want to get the details of the new comments which we are receiving. So for that, to ensure we only get or only add the details of new comments in our Google Sheet, we are going to add a filter condition in the next step. And we have the description of the filter. But before moving to the next step, first just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it has now changed to Waiting for Webhook Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some details of a new comment on our Facebook page. So what we are going to do, from some other Facebook account, we are going to post a comment on our Facebook page. So here you can see I have opened another Facebook account named as Devin Parker. So Devin Parker is going to post a comment of one of my posts on my Facebook page. So I have this Facebook post over here. Let me write a comment as, for example, great video. So this is the comment which I'm adding, which I'm posting on a Facebook post. Let's click on this comment button. So just now I have received a new comment on one of my posts on my Facebook page. So here you can see we will just refresh our Facebook page, and after refreshing it, we will see the comment is received on our Facebook post. So great video. This is the comment which we have received from Devin Parker 1 minute ago. After receiving this comment, because we have connected our Facebook account, our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect, here you will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received some response. And in this response, you will see all the details of this same comment which we have received just now. You can see the name of the same person over here, Devin Parker, who has posted that comment. We have the from ID, we have the ID of the person who has posted the comment. Then after that, we will scroll down, and here you can see the date and time, that at what date and time we have received this comment. We have the URL, the link of the post on which we have received the comment. We will scroll down. We have the actual message, we have the actual comment which the user has posted. Then we have the post ID, we have the unique comment ID of this comment. We have the date and time in timestamp format, that at what date and time this particular comment was posted by the user. Then we have item, that what we have received the details of a comment. And we also have verb. So related to comment, what activity is performed? Either the comment is added, the comment is updated, or the comment is removed. What is the activity happening? We get that in verb. So we have received a new comment. This means a comment is added over here. So that's why it is going to give this response of verb as well. Then we have the entry ID and entry time as well. So in this way, we have received all the details related to the new comment which we are receiving on our Facebook page. After receiving this comment, we have to add a filter condition. So here in important note, it is mentioned that we have to add a filter condition based on verb and item. So we have to add a filter condition in such a way that the verb in response should be equals to add and item should be equals to comment. Also, we have to add a filter condition that if you're going to reply to this comment, if you're going to post a reply for this comment over here on your Facebook page, this trigger is going to capture the details of your replies as well. Now, what you want to do, you don't want to add the replies which you are posting in your Google Sheet. So what we have to do, we have to add another filter condition in this REST1 form ID. And here you can see this is the response of REST1 form ID, and adding the filter condition of this form ID, the filter type will be not equals to. So here this is the ID of the person who has posted the comment, and this ID should not be equals to your account ID from which you are going to reply. So we are going to set up the filter now. Now to set up this kind of filter condition, what we have to do, just scroll down, come to this action step and select filter over here. By using filter by Pabbly, we are going to add some condition in such a way that only the new comments which are added in our Facebook page, only those details will be added in Google Sheets. Just select filter value in action event and click on connect. After clicking on connect, it is asking us to select the label. And here in select label, in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Facebook pages of a new comment. So this important note over here says we have to set up a filter condition based on verb and item first. So here in filter condition, in this filter action step, in select label from this drop down, select the response of verb from Facebook pages responses. So from this drop down, select the response of verb first. The filter type will be equals to and the value will be add. Just write add like this over here. After this, click on this plus button of add and condition. We are going to add and condition, that all of this condition should be fulfilled. Then after that, here under select label from this drop down, this time we are going to select REST1 item. Just select this label. The filter type will be equals to and the value will be comment. So we have added these two conditions and we have added a filter that only if a new comment is added, only in that case the details should be added in Google Sheet. If we get the details of a new like or new post being shared in the trigger step, in that case, those details will not be added in our Google Sheet. Also, if a comment is removed or updated, we are going to get that response from Facebook as well. And using this filter condition, we are ensuring that the details of updated and removed comments should not be added. Only new comments which we are receiving should be added in Google Sheet using this automation. So we have added this filter. Now we also don't want to add the replies which we are posting of this comment on our Facebook profile. So we have to add another filter condition of res1 from ID for this particular label. And here in this response, we have to enter the ID of our Facebook page. So the ID of our Facebook page is received in the res1 post ID. Here you can see this is the first ID before this underscore. This is the ID of your Facebook page. So this particular response should not be equals to this value. So I will just copy this post ID from here, Facebook page ID from here, scroll down, come to this filter step. Once again, we are going to add AND condition. This time in select label from the drop down, select res1 from ID. The filter type will be does not equals to, and here we are going to paste the ID of our Facebook page. So we have added three conditions over here, three filter condition, that the verb should be equals to add, item should be equals to comment, and from ID should not be equals to our own Facebook page's ID, from which we are going to post the reply. Now, after entering all of these filter conditions, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And when we click on Save and Send Test Request, we have received the response. And this response shows that the condition is true. After setting up this filter, let's add these details of the new comment in our Google Sheet. For that, just scroll down and come to this Add Action Step button over here. Then after that, here in Choose App, search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Select your Google Sheets account, scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the select spreadsheet. And here in the drop-down, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which I have in my Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, in which particular spreadsheet we want to add the details of this new comment from our Facebook page, we have to select the same spreadsheet from this drop-down. So the name of my spreadsheet is Facebook Comments. So from this drop-down, I'm going to select that spreadsheet. After selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking us to select the sheet. So right now you can see in this particular spreadsheet, I have only one sheet named as Sheet 1. That's why in the drop down here, you can see only one sheet as Sheet 1. If you are having multiple sheets in this spreadsheet, select the sheet in which you want to add this new comment details. Then here you can see all the column of data which I have created in this sheet. You can see all of these columns as fields in Pabbly Connect. So we have date, time, name, post link, comment, and comment ID. So from trigger responses, from Facebook pages responses which we have received of new comment, one by one, we are going to map all of these details in this Google Sheets action step. So the first column is of date and time, that what date and time we have received this comment. So here you can see post updated time, we have received this comment, and we are going to map this response of post updated time over here in this Google Sheet action step. The process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in the drop down, you can see all the responses from previous two steps, from Facebook step and from the filter step as well. So from Facebook pages, new comment trigger responses, we are going to select this response of post updated time, and it is going to get mapped. In this way, at whatever time we are going to receive a comment on our post, Facebook is going to send the same time to Pabbly Connect, and using Pabbly Connect, we are going to add the same time of new comment in our Google Sheet. After mapping the comment time, it is asking us for the name, that what is the name of the person who has posted the comment. So we have received the name of the person in trigger responses from Facebook pages. So from the drop down, we are going to select this response of from name and map it to. Then we have to add the post link, that on our Facebook page or on our Facebook ad, on which particular post we have received the comment. So from the drop down, I'm going to map the post permanent link as well. Then here we are going to map the actual comment, actual message which the user has posted. So we are going to select and map it that. And then at last, we are going to map the comment ID as well. So we have received the response of unique comment ID. We are going to select it and map it too. In this way, these are the details of a new comment from my Facebook page I want to add in Google Sheets. If you want to add some other details, just create the column for those details in your Google Sheets, and in your Pabbly Connect workflow in this Google Sheet Actions tab, you will see a field for that column, and you can just map the response according to your choice. After mapping all the details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, basically the details of a new comment which we have received from Facebook inside Pabbly Connect, the same details of a new comment are added in Google Sheets. So let's check it. I'll just go to my Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see just now a new row of data is added in our Google Sheet. And in this row, in this sheet, you can see we have the details of the exact same comment, the new comment which we have received on our Facebook page. So here you can see the date and time, that at what date and time we have received this comment according to UTC time zone. Then we have the name of the person, we have the post link, we have the comment, the actual comment message, and the comment ID. So here you can see all the details of this new comment are now added in our Google Sheet using this Pabbly Connect automation which we have created. Now, after creating this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. I'll go back to the different Facebook account of Devin Parker, and I'm going to post a comment on some other post on my Facebook page. So I have this another post on my Facebook page over here. Let me place a comment as, for example, we are testing this automation. So I'm going to post this comment over here. Let's post it. And as I'm going to post this comment, we have just now received a new comment on our Facebook page. And automatically the details of the same comment is instantly, immediately within seconds is added as a new row in Google Sheets. Here you can see the date and time, that at what date and time we have received the comment. We have the name of the person from which we have received the comment. We have the post link. We have the exact same comment and the comment ID. Also, here you can see just click on the post link and it will take you to the same Facebook post on which you have received the comment. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.